Hello everyone. As today on International Yoga Day, let's do some yoga. Yoga is good for physical growth, health and spiritual well-being. Not only do yoga for International Yoga Day but include it in your daily routine. So let's start yoga by doing giraffe pose. Bend your one knee and stretch your hand. That is, when we do this, we get a giraffe pose. Next is flamingo pose. For that, lift one your leg up just like this. Look straight so you can get the balance and lift your hand like this. Next up is dog pose. That helps you to stretch your thighs and shoulders. It is as simple as a mountain pose. Just lift your legs and hands up and be sure not to be on your toes. Now let's do cat pose. For that, keep your legs as shown and try to keep your back straight. Then keep your hands as this. This is cat pose. This pose extends our chest and this also stretches our legs while it also makes a sense of balance. Now it's time for monkey pose. Keep your one leg in front of another leg and keep your one hand straight along with other hand like this. This pose helps to stretch your thighs as it also helps us in balance. To do the swing palm tree pose, just lift both of your hands and sway your body to one side. Now give it a little change the other side. Here's the star pose. For this, you should just keep a distance between both your legs and keep your hands like this. This pose helps us to stretch our upper back and our neck, shoulders and our arm muscles. Time for the butterfly pose, which we all know. Keep your legs together like this and try to keep them close you can and flap them. So this pose helps us to stretch our hips, thighs and ankles while it reduces a stretch. Here comes the turtle pose. For that, keep your foot the same as the butterfly pose and keep your hand at back. This pose helps to increase flexibility in knees, ankles and thighs. Now we have the most surprising pose, which is the corpse pose. Just lie down like this. Inhale and exhale. This pose helps us to reduce back and shoulder pain. Just inhale and exhale and lie in this position. Everyone, we are done with a yoga. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And no problem if you did not like, you can even click on the thumbs out button. And also subscribe to my channel for more such video. And click the bell button so you'll get notification when I upload my new video. And thanks for doing yoga with me. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.